everyone, welcome once again to Cooking with Tita, right here in my kitchen. Today I would like to share my tropical salsa recipe. So come on, cook with Tita, and let's go through our ingredients. I have 1 pineapple. I chopped it up, and I don't know if I told you that I have 3 very ripe mango, 1 tablespoon or to taste salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper or to taste. Okay, 1 bulb of garlic, and if you know me, this is the whole bulb of garlic. Okay, I already peeled it. Half a cup of red onion, bunch of cilantro, it's already clean, English cucumber, 1 or more avocado for yummy creaminess. Now you could put 2 or more, but today I'm just gonna use 1 because this is huge. Okay, jalapeno. If you have small lemon, put 3. I have sufficient right here because it's medium. Okay, now if you want more citrusy, put more. Okay, 2 to 3. My tomatoes, large Roma tomatoes, that's the best for salsa. And this is a red radish. I have my bone for my cutting over here, so I would just go like that. And like I told you, I am going to make vegetable stacks out of that. Okay, so anywho, let's go over here with our blender, and we are going to put our vegetable in there. We're gonna do the hard one first. If you have a good blender, you can just toss it in there. Anyhow, I am going to put all my vegetable in here, beginning with the hard one, like the radish, cucumber, the tomatoes, so on and so forth. The hardest first, and then the soft one should be on the top. Okay. Anyhow, let me cut up all my ingredients, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay. All right, we did all the tomatoes, and now we're going to put our chili. Now, if you just want a mild, you take this off, the white flesh inside. That's what makes it really hot. But me, on the other hand, I want that. I want the heat. Okay, so I'm gonna just go like that. This, I am going to quarter that and drop it over here. Okay, now my cilantro, I want to cut my cilantro, and just mostly the one with the leaves. Okay, but see, this is good. Put them over here for your stacks. You know, if you're like me that uses your cutting for your stacks, that this is a good yummy goodie. Okay, I could put that in here. Okay, but I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it in half, and like distribute that in here, so when you pulse, it would distribute evenly. Okay, the avocado is for creaminess. Oh man, let me tell you, I love avocados, but over here the avocados is so expensive. It's $2 for 1 avocado. If your lemon hard, I don't know if I already told you guys, just to roll it until it's nice and soft. You get the most of the juice of your lemon. So yeah, that's a little trick of mine. Okay, go like that, and I have my little bowl over here. See how juicy that is? Okay, now before I put that in there, I would put my pineapple with the juice and everything, okay? Your red onion, and of course our garlic, good for our blood, antibiotic that is also, and the juice of our lemon, okay? All right, beautiful. We're gonna put our 3 very ripe, I'm drooling right now, oh my goodness, very ripe mango. Okay, so let's put that in here. All right, and then we almost forgot our salt and pepper. It was hiding over here. Anywho, it won't be good. Okay, now, all right, we're all set up. Let's turn it on. Look, so beautiful. We're gonna pulse this, okay, until it reaches the consistency that you would like. Me, in the other hand, I don't want my salsa too runny or too, I want, in other words, what I'm trying to say, guys, I want my salsa a little chunk, okay, not too watery. You understand what I'm saying? So we're gonna pulse that until until it's just chunk. Okay, that's it. Look at that, guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me see. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is delightful. All right, guys, we tasted our salsa. It doesn't need any more flavoring or anything. It is so delicious. So, I mean, after all, this is appetizer or starter, if you may, with your party or whatever, and you're gonna present it to your friends. You're not gonna regret this, guys. This recipe, it's so good. You just put him in the middle of the table with some chips, tortilla chips, corn chips, whatever. Guys, this salsa is good for omelettes, burritos, fried chicken, grill anything, everything. So delicious, guys, and I know you're gonna like it, okay? So guys, enjoy my recipe, and I will see you again when you cook with Tita right here in my kitchen. Like I always say, bon appetit. Bye.